So, right before I start the video, I want to tell you what it's gonna be about. One of my subscribers gave me a really cool idea about how I edit my videos. It still be the same format, just a little different, because I'm giving a tutorial on my part and Leray is giving a tutorial on his part on how he edits my videos. And let's get started.
Hatredsoul is my fuck.
Yo, what's up? It's hatredsoul. It's been a while. I'm glad to see you. So I prepared a new video for you, and let's get right down to the business. Today, I'm gonna show you how to make a brand new genre called Speedtrap. Let's talk quick about genre itself. Deedotwill and Rott from Triple Beam invented a subgenre in trap called Speedtrap, and as the genre is brand new, it's only now starting to force itself and gain popularity. And by the way, at the time this video was recorded, there was even a southside rap on a Speedtrap. Take a look. Oh, and Redda as well. So, what's so special about the genre? First of all, it has high BPM from 180 to 200, which you will not see everywhere nowadays and which will sound just as good. Secondly, he has unique tips in arrangement, drums and melodies themselves, which gives the sound an unusual groove. Thirdly, he has completely exclusive sounds that are used exclusively in a genre, which makes him even more unique. Today, I'm gonna show you 3 beats where I'm going to explain everything that's going on, as much detail as possible. And if you're ready, let's go. Oh yeah, and by the way, all these MIDIs, sounds, drums in this video will be from my new multi-kit HELLGATE. Link will be in the description. But now, let's just pick some plugins and pick some sounds. So, which sounds to use and which plugins to use, it's up to you and your vibe. But it's important to use the sounds in these plugins to match the sound of the genre. So, let's find out. So basically, I almost always start with analog lab or a Nexus. So I just trying to catch my vibe. I'm just trying to come up with something. Take a look, it's important moment. I threw a halftime on every mixer channel I used. Why am I doing it? So, as you can see, I put notes in 1-3 beats, not steps. That means in triplets, which is exactly what gives this groove you're about to hear. It's important right here to find and add like synthy, analog, like bass. Important moment again is I'm highlighting all the channels and I'm trying them into one channel, common channel, route to this track only. And I'm going to put different plugins on it. It's like SUS, cassette, EQ, RC20 and all that. And basically anything that will make your look more unique. And from previous videos, maybe you saw that I love to use sound shifter to just hear how it sounds up, down, you know. And at this point, I'll just consolidate a loop on which I'll do a separate processing. Here we go, RC20. In it, I tried to make everything vintage, dust, dirty, and everything like that. Also final processing. I'm just trying to clean it up, clicks and all this. So let's check the final results and let's go to the drums. So I come up with these sounds, you see them on your screen. And also I pitched up the loop in one semi-octave. Let's start with first sound, it's hi-hat. The first and most important thing we need to do, choose one for B in this magnet. We do it to make certain interruption in our rhythm section. Look, right now I'm gonna show you some examples on my melodies from my multi-kit on hi-hats, with which we arrange all the sounds as well. So as you can see, I have a lot of them, so let's go over the best ones. And most important part, 808s. So, the lineup looks like this. The most important thing we need to do is turn off the 808 before the snares hit. You see right here, right before the hit. And here we can experiment a bit. You can leave it like this or you can make it shorter, how you like. And let's just copy everything. So as you can see, it sounds already very good. Next time we're gonna add, we have two options, either two at once or separately, whichever you prefer. Scissors and beep FX. Place it just at the start. Oh, and if you're using this C4 sound, so me personally, I like to pitch it an octave down. And the second sound, it's scissors. I like to put on them delay and reverb. That's the end of the basic drums, there is nothing else to do and no need to overload. Now let's just decorate the beat and go over the effect sounds and all that. Oh, and I almost forgot about the second 808. We need one more 808. In this case, there can only be two kinds of 808, if we go with the idea of style. It can be this one, or this one. And yeah, they're different. But anyway, there is no restrictions at all, you can put any other sound you want, okay? So, we just make unique our first 808 on the second part. We have first part and second part. Just make unique, go into it. And just let's think about where we want to put it. Basically, we can put it anywhere we want to put it, but there is a particular feature here. So let me show you. And that's it, the first beat ends, and let's hear it in full now. Oh yeah, that's what I thought. I'm gonna record some rap on the third beat. What's up again? The next beat I'll do, it's on loop of my bro myself from his recently released loop kit. I pre-selected the loop kit on your screen, and let's do some. And again, I'll use MIDIs from my drum kit, which will be linked in the description, and which we'll talk about a bit later on. It's gonna be a fast and silent cook-up right now. Here is the note, whole beat right here, whole beat.
Hatred. That's not selfie, that's motherfucker.
Well, let's get to the third beat. As you can see, I'm starting from the Nexus at halftime. We have something like this right now. Xenology. I took Xenology right here. Really good leads, plugs, keys for this sound, for this genre. As always, I am experimenting a lot. Here I turn up mids on EQ on bass. Sometimes I love to turn on a stereo on bass. Sounds really good sometimes. Look, I usually like to experiment with samples in such a way that I stretch them. I mean, look, I select the sample, I select the stretch, I click here and I stretch it. Let's make it unique and like stretch it, for example, like this. I want it to sound slow and more or less natural. So I highlight everything and I put it on a channel 20, for example, route to this track only. And right now let's just throw some plugins.
No, I'm with the triple beam team, bitch.
Something like this, and let's just arrange it right now. Alright, now let's make a beat with my drum kit, HELLGATE. Let's go. And right now, for my people, I'm gonna rap on a speed trap. Let's go. We have some bars like this, let's listen.
Скуриваю деньги, снова яд по моим венам. Скуриваю рифмы, снова кровь по моим стенам. Закурился в клубе, детка, что же еще там делал? Это не Нью-Йорк, но сука, да, в нем как веном. Меня не остановишь, я еще бегу по ножам. Не переживай, братан, со мной твоя мадам. Я стою назад и не смотрю.
And let's do something with it and mix it.
Закурился в клубе, детка, что же еще там делал? Это не Нью-Йорк, но сука, да, в нем как веном. Меня не остановишь, я еще бегу по ножам. Не переживай, братан, со мной твоя мадам. Не сдаю назад и не смотрю по зеркалам. Мои строки на битах создают чудеса. Мы гоняем каждый день, за нами спидтреп. Осторожно, с нами иначе будет киднап. Этот звучок на миллионы, это no-cap. Ты потеряешься в игре, нахуй твою мэп. Они хотят кикнуть меня из игры. Тут нету правил, каждый день как будто Дейзи. Пару выстрелов в ушах и теперь я джип. Никто даже не заметит твои пропажи. Скуриваю деньги, снова яд по моим венам.
And that's it, bro. I'm glad if I taught you something new. All links to my drum kit, on Leray and myself will be in the description. Thanks for watching and bye bye.
Не стою назад и не смотрю по зеркалам. Мои строки на битах создают чудеса. Мы гоняем каждый день, за нами спидтреп.